In this quick video, I'll show you how to download and install WhatsApp in laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So it doesn't matter whether you are using Windows 10 computer or Windows 11 computer because the process is exactly same. Now all we need to do is go to Microsoft Store in your computer. I'll search it here and then Microsoft Store will be open. Now search here WhatsApp in order to install it in your computer. Once you search it, you will find WhatsApp in the first place. Open it and then click on install, just like so. Now it will start installing and downloading it in your computer. You can see it here. I have successfully downloaded and installed WhatsApp in my computer. Now if you don't find WhatsApp in your desktop or taskbar, then you can pin it. For that, open your start menu and go to all apps by here and then scroll down to the bottom and you will find WhatsApp here. Right click on it and then go to more and pin to taskbar. As you can see, WhatsApp is now on my taskbar. I need to open it and then you will see this interface on WhatsApp. We need to tap on get started. Now it will show you this QR code. We need to scan it using our mobile WhatsApp. For that, open WhatsApp in your phone, then tap on these three dots which are on top right corner. We need to tap on it, then go to link devices. Now here we need to tap on link a device. Now it will open your camera in your mobile and scan the QR code from your computer screen. We need to scan QR code of computer screen. Once you scan it, then your WhatsApp will be logged in your computer from mobile. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.